Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir is reaction back with another reaction with Faouzia. Yeah, coming back with this, and she was saying birds of our father. Yeah, birds of our father. So my name is Samir, I'm from Algeria, and South Africa. But tomorrow I'm going to do reaction music video, and I do reaction about Faouzia. You can smash button, subscribe to notification, follow me, take Instagram. That's all you need to do. Means so much to me. Do that. And I have depression. This attack for a long time. I've been dealing with it like 17 years and 10 years. Lost my job. And if you want to do that thanks button always there, or just give some anything. If you don't find the thanks button, you can go to buy me a copy to collecting money to buy new PC. Inshallah, that's all I need to do. Buy a new PC. Inshallah, I hope that soon happen to me. So let's go right now with 3, 2, 1. It's coming out now. Let's go.
You to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
Oh my God.
'Cause it was always you. Turning blue, please don't say me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Till the day that I die, till the light leaves my eyes, till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me.
Unbelievable.
Stupid.
incroyable, unbelievable. Her voice stunning, her voice fire, her voice assalam, amazing. Wow. I can have no words to explain how she's so good. She deserves to win. Amazing. So if you love this face and reaction, don't forget to smash a button, subscribe to notification, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and comment, like, that means so much. Give me love. Be my friend, be my family now, be together. And if you care more, if you like more to do something more, that thanks button working. If that thanks button working here or not, you will find buy me a coffee in description. Everything that's up to you, not me. Your choice, you decide, and that's all matter. To help someone who need help, who can help, not you are not can't, but you will help. No, please, you can do it. You can't not do it. Be my family, like together. So assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Salam.